Hi, I'm going to talk about teachers and presentation using same principles in Pecha Kucha. This is something that we should know, and we consider the principles in Pecha Kucha, why this is important in order to improve our presentations. There are many things that we should know now. First, let's talk about with teachers. Teachers are the first person who design presentations. They should know what things they are going to use. It is not just like bringing information and put it in the presentation, or just taking images that I found and then put it there. This is not something that we can do now. Also, the presentation should have many aspects. You should put the images in the correct way. You should put the content in the right way. So this is something important, because the way you present your presentation impact your audience. So that is something important. Simplicity. Anyway, when you are presenting the information, it's so important. So just say the things that you should have to say. Don't give false information or give false expectations from your audience, because you will waste the time. Then unexpectedness. Here, the first thing that you should have, it's you should surprise your people and get their interest and make them know, or make them feel why this is so important. You can do this by stimulating the curiosity from your audience. You can make questions about the content, about the information, so you can make holes in people knowledge. So this is something, an empty thing that they should need to feel by encounter answers or information that it will give the information that. Then the concreteness. Here it's take your natural speech. Don't act like another person or speak like other people speak. Just be like you. Always be like you, because these things you make people feel good, and then your credibility. This thing, your hard data will support your claims. Your credibility is let them know why this is so important, and give them experiences, give them examples by showing them why this is so important. And then as the information that you are giving, there are many emotionals, so you can, by your emotionals, you can connect your ideas. You can connect them, so you can feel the same environment in your audience. So this is something important that you should consider. Then there are many sayings that your own experiences and sharing your own stories, your audience won't forget the information that you're currently giving in the presentations. So this is something important. This is something that you should consider. Then we can encounter Pecha Kucha. Pecha Kucha is one of the popular, and this is a phenomenon in which we can make presentations by many parameters and many limitations and many restraints. So that is something that we should consider from now on. So Pecha Kucha is something that was created, or was something implemented in Japan, because here in this book was showing that there are many fails. There are many things that we're doing wrong. We're giving the wrong famous from PowerPoint. We're not using correctly PowerPoint, and this term, it brings a sign of the changing times. This term is trying to change something that we have doing wrong. So it is something like, this is something that it give us something different, and we can do that differently. Then PowerPoint supports Pecha Kucha. because since this gives many features, many things in many ways how we can design a better presentation and how can be differently. So this term also change attitudes. This because this shows different things. This shows a different way in how we are going to present the information. Also, it brings our creative in which we can be successful. Pecha Kucha consists of 20 images in 20 seconds. So this is something. This is the restraints that you should have considered. At the end, you will take at least 6 minutes and 40 seconds to present the whole slides that you prepared before from your audience. The restraints here, it's like the restraints from Pecha Kucha is make or keep your presentation brief, so you won't make your audience get bored, and also focus. Don't leave the main theme or the main topic. Then, as I told you before, the good exercise is get your story down, and also share your own experiences, share your own stories, and so you can, by your own stories, you can make them or show them how things can be changed. From now on,